This Markovnikov rule is proposed by the Russian scientist Vladimir Markovnikov. That's why this rule is called as Markovnikov rule. Let us see its mechanism. Okay. Why, when an unsymmetrical reagent is added to the unsymmetrical alkene, why the Markovnikov rule product is formed as a major one? Why the anti-Markovnikov rule product is formed as a minor one? Okay. For this understanding, okay, we can see the bond polarization, that is nothing but its mechanism. Okay. How the bond polarization is takes place. Suppose for example, let us see here. This is here you should consider bond polarization. Okay. Suppose for example, let us take two cases. Here in this first case, the double bond is polarization is takes place. Okay, the double bond is nothing but this is the combination of two electrons. Here in this first case, you should consider the double bond is converted to this position. This is the first case. Here in the second case, the double bond two electrons are converted to this carbon atom. First of all, this is first case, this is second case. First of all, write the first case product. Here, according to this case, it become CH3, CH, CH2. Here, let us see the double bond is polarized towards this carbon CH2. That's why this carbon atom gets negative charge. Okay. That's why this carbon gets positive charge. Okay. Here in the second case, the double bond is polarized towards this middle carbon. CH3, CH, negative charge, CH2, positive charge. Let us observe these two intermediates. These are the intermediates. Okay. Intermediates. These two are the intermediates. Here in these two intermediates, you should consider carbocation stability. The stability of carbocation is here very, very important. Stability of carbocations. You should consider stability of carbocations. Among the carbocations, okay, tertiary carbocations has more stable when compared to secondary carbocations, then primary carbocation, then methyl carbocation. What is carbocation? A carbocation is nothing but a carbon has positive charge. That is called as carbocation. Here in this first intermediate, you should consider this is a secondary carbocation. One hydrogen containing carbon, it is called as secondary one. Okay. The two hydrogens, this is called as primary carbocation. Okay. According to stability of carbocation, tertiary is greater than secondary, then primary, then methyl. Here, two type of carbocations is formed. Here you should consider carbocations. This is a secondary carbocation. Secondary is termed as a 2 degree. This is called as secondary. Here, primary carbocation is formed. These two are the intermediates. These two are the intermediates. Here in these intermediates, okay, you should consider stability of carbocations. Okay, for the consideration of stability of carbocations, secondary carbocation is more stable when compared to primary carbocation. Why? Because due to the inductive effect and hyperconjugation. Okay, that's why here we should write the product here. Here, what is the product is formed? Generally, the polarization takes place. Okay, that's why the negative part of bromine is added to this carbon. The positive part of the H plus is added to this carbon. What is the product is formed here? CH3, CH, CH2. Here, the positive part of the carbon is you should add here bromine. The negative part of the CH2 you should add here H. CH2 becomes CH3. This is the major product according to Markovnikov rule. Why this Markovnikov rule product is major one? Why? Because according to their stability order. Why? Because secondary carbocation gets more stable when compared to primary carbocation. According to this reason, this is the major product. This is the major product. The remaining one is the minor product, right? CH3, CH. According to anti-Markovnikov rule, okay, here negative charge, this carbon, it gets positive charge, it becomes H2. CH2 you should add minusly charged Br, it becomes bromine. That's why 2-bromopropane, 2-bromopropane is major product and 1-bromopropane is a minor product. 1-bromopropane is a minor product. This is the detailed mechanism about the Markovnikov rule. Okay. The major product according to Markovnikov rule. This is called as major product. This is also called as Markovnikov's product. The second product is called as, this is the anti-Markovnikov product. This anti-Markovnikov product is takes place in presence of okay. Suppose for example, when you take this reaction, okay, when unsymmetrical reagent is added to the unsymmetrical alkene. Suppose for example, you want to anti-Markovnikov product as a major one. What is the reaction condition you should apply? Okay, here you should apply, you take any hydrogen peroxide or alkyl peroxide or benzoyl peroxide, the anti-Markovnikov product is formed. The anti-Markovnikov product is also called as Karash effect. This is the detailed mechanism about the Markovnikov rule. Thank you for watching this.